All right, it's pretty simple to create a blog. I'm going to open up Google Chrome. I'm going to go to the website, blogger.com. This larger, create blog. I'm going to use, instead of my school account, I'm going to use my Gmail because I've got my account set up that way. You can set up an account with your school account, your own email account. It really doesn't matter. Blogger's free and you can get in there numerous ways. All right, we're going to call our blog The Canterbury Tales Discussion Blog. URL for our blog. I'm saying Canterbury Tales is awesome. You can come up with your own name though. How do you want your name displayed to readers of your blog? Can't wait for Canterbury. That might be too long of a name, but we're going with it. This is a demonstration. All right. I'm going to create a post. What did I learn during my time working on my Canterbury Tales project? And then you could answer this. See, I've got the questions over here in this Word document. I can copy using Control-C and paste questions into the blog, and I can answer these questions here on the blog. I'm not going to answer the questions right here because this is just a demonstration for you guys. My post, what did I learn? Publish, confirm. All right, and I have a post on my blog, and your other group members can post on the same blog. Y'all don't have to do a separate blog. You don't have to create a separate blog for every person in the group. You can all post here and then share that with me, and I can go through the blog and look and see. And that's about it. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can ask me in class. All right. Happy blogging.